Hello everyone and welcome to this video guide that will show with you how to log in DBS Bank. So go to Google search for this keyword DBS. As you can see here, click this website. First one, click on login, choose digital bank or app. This one, you will redirected to login page. Just wait from here, you will see this page. As you can see here, friends, wait a few moments. From here, you have two options. You can log in with your ID and PIN. Just write your ID here and then write your PIN. As you can see here, when you write your PIN, you can log in successfully without any problem. So friends, you have two options here. This is the first step you need to do. You can also use this app. So friends, you can log in with this app here. As you can see here, click login, click this option. Ideal option, you can use your QR codes or email to log in with email. This is how you can do top option here with your QR code. You can scan this code and you can log in. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you.